This video is made to help you add the Roland swatches into Illustrator. Brought to you by TyrrellTech Digital Printing Systems. First, we will check Illustrator for the Roland swatches. Select Window, Swatches, and Swatch Libraries. You will notice the Roland swatches are not visible. Next, we will close Illustrator. Open up our File Explorer. Go to the C drive, Program Files, Versaworks, now the Swatch folder, and finally Illustrator. Select all the swatch files you desire to import into Illustrator. The most common one used for cut lines is the Versaworks swatch file at the bottom. Right-click to copy the files. Now, we will need to go back to the C drive. Then, Program Files, Adobe, and select the latest version of Adobe Illustrator. Select the Presets folder, ENUS, finally Swatches. Right-click to paste the files into this folder. You will need administrative privileges to make this change. Click OK. Now we can open Illustrator again to see if the swatches are available. Open Illustrator and a new document. Select Window, Swatches, and Swatch Libraries. The swatches are now available. If Illustrator updates, you will need to perform this again. Unfortunately, Illustrator will not bring these files into a new version of Illustrator. Thanks for watching.